Welcome back to the channel. Gonna get some perfect order packs open today. Just gonna wait. Maybe Saturday, Sunday like I usually do, but can't wait. So let's get into it. 5 packs. I'm going to put a couple of codes on the screen as well. I've got one through email for TCG Live. Oh, energy. Not done this in a while. Forgot how to do it. Servine, Mobile, Ghastly, Salander, Vivillon, Aegislash, Energy Swatter, Furfrou, Mirror, Pokepad, that's 2 mirrors, Chien-Pao. Nothing there. I've seen a few people pull the gold Zygarde, it's really nice. I really like the Starmie as well, the SpongeBob Patrick Starmie. It's actually better than the... Oh, what am I doing? I've just opened that off camera. Talk too much. Normal energy. Shinx. Dual Blade. Skorupi. Spooper. What's going on with this? Focus. Lumiose Galette. Raticate. Pokepad. Diggersby. All the mirrors. Different colours. Luxray. Oh, Meowth on the first pack. Second pack. No way. Meowth. What's the most expensive card in a set? Is it this? I don't know, I can't remember. I was watching Mystic opening the day. He pulled it on his last pack. Meowth. Let's get a close up actually. So nice. Love it. Special illustration now. I'll get it sleeved in a minute. I've not got sleeves next to me. Just going to run through these quickly. Meowth on the second pack. Anyway. Code. And Fire Energy. I still need a few shiny energies to complete a collection, but Rowlet, Antique Jawfossil, Amora, Bunnelby, Pokepad, Jacinthe, Raticate, Luxio, Rocky Energy, Yveltal EX. Actually, I thought that was going to be something good. Yeah, jeez. Oops. Yveltal EX. Let's put me off there. Pack 4. Good card. Dark. Tyrant. Clefairy. Furfrou. Antique Jawfossil. Barbaraco. Aromatize. I don't know. Rosa's Encouragement. Holucha. I like Holucha. Shinx. Landorus. Last pack Magic. I already had Magic, but you never know. Code. Metal. Hippopotas. Dartrix. Mobile. Rattata. Rosa's Encouragement again. Vivillon, Digger's Bait, Dugong, Ariados, Gengar. That's quite a nice Gengar actually, my favourite Pokemon. Didn't realise there was a Gengar in this set. That's just my Crocs squeaking. Well, decent. So tune in next time. Going to open a Perfect Order ETB. We've got these tins to battle. I've still got other sealed product. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.